If you have not used onion before, then this video I'm encouraging you to go and buy onion now. Onion is very good for your hair. Doctors have proved it, it has worked. But sometimes how you use it is the problem. So follow the video and get the full recipe. Watch everything till the end. I take 3 onions and then I peel it nicely. You know, onion contains some properties, antibacterial properties that help clear dandruff. It aids in blood circulation and helps the hair to grow at a faster rate. It stops hair fall. So I go in to cut my onion into pieces. After cutting it, I now take it to my blender and blend. After blending, I am about to sieve it. Feel free and use anything that is very good to sieve. This is 3 onion. You can do 2 or 1 depending on the length or the volume of your hair. I am using 3. After this, you see the oil I'm holding contains avocado, neem oil, mango oil, castor leaves oil. I did this DIY oil in my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description. You can check it out and see. So this oil, I want to use this oil to as a pre-poo. So I decided to add the oil to the onion water. See what I'm about to do. I've added it to the onion water and I shake it very well. Now, you know, onion can be very drying, but when I added the oil, it will go and neutralize that drying property and it will not make my hair so dry. Now I take my onion into my special bottle, focusing on my scalp because the scalp is the issue. I bet you if you have dandruff, inflating scalps, or those white things and you use onion, within 2 times of using it, you will not see anything. This is my mini braids. It's exactly 1 month today, and in fact, this time round is a bit looking messy, but not too messy. It's still neat. So I have applied it nicely to my hair, focusing on my scalp. Now I keep on massaging it very well. You keep massaging it nicely into the hair. You are on a mini brace challenge. If you have not joined, watch the video and then you join. We are doing it from June to September. So what I'll be doing is that every week, every 2 weeks, I'll apply the onion and then wash it off. So I've covered my hair with a plastic rubber. You can use shower cap, whatever you have that is good. You can use it. Now I'm not going to sit under dryer. The heat from my body will give that heat to make the thing very hot. So no need to use external heat. I'm covering it nicely. You leave it for 20 to 30 minutes or to 45 minutes. Now I went to my shower and I used my shampoo. You know, because of the scent of the onion, I first wash it with plain water out. After washing it with the plain water, I now went in with my shampoo and I wash it twice. After washing with my shampoo, I now deep condition this mini braids. I didn't take it off. You see the reason why I love mini braids so much. I now deep condition. I have the recipe of my deep condition that I've used also in the description. You can check it out. I love it so much. After everything, I came back to moisturize. You know, I use my onion and everything. I've washed everything. Now my scalp is very clean. I came back to take my favorite hair oil. I thought this hair oil, you can check it out as well. See my edges. I'm applying it and then I keep on massaging my hair. Applying it without massaging is like you not applying it at all. So anytime you apply product to your hair, make sure you massage it with your fingers nicely. If you have scalp massager, feel free to use it. So today is exactly 1 month. My braids look still fresh. I'm taking it to September, 4 months. We are still in June, but I started May ending, so I'm a bit 1 week ahead of everyone. I'm in the 4th week, and this is so nice. It means week 6, check my back. When I'm 6 weeks exactly, I'll repeat the process. Keep repeating this process. If you don't have many braids and you feel like doing it for every week, you will still see the result. You know, everything is flexible. It is not a rule that you should do it 2 weeks. You can do it every week. And I bet you are going to see massive results. If you are struggling with dandruff, then do not pass by. Make sure you do it. I now go in with my hair food. And as usual, I'm massaging it into it, focusing on my tips. the tips of the hair. If I am able to grow my hair, it is possible for you to also grow your hair as well. This is the mini braids challenge we are doing. Do not forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. I have many videos, interesting ones of course ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay, keep on. I apply everything nicely. And then finally, we are done with the application. Check my back, check my front. Is this not beautiful? Thank you all for watching. God bless you. I'm now tacking. You can just braid it like this and leave it if you want. If you don't have anywhere to go, but if you have a place to go to, you can let's leave it on and flex with your style. You can go to wedding anywhere with this style, but I felt this one is not fitting, so I'm taking it down. I decided to put everything together and wrap it nicely. God richly bless you. God bless you for keeping your hair natural. God bless you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Now see my face. See my face. Wow, wow, wow. Bye.